that one was really tight. So I don't know if it helps or not, but I always find if a bolt is tight in the hole, just a few tight taps, nothing major, and definitely don't damage the threads. It can help, but not always. Just my own little thing there. So with the TD42, these are your glow plugs here. There's 6 of them, and they hang down into, let me show you this. If you look on the other side here, you can see these things here. So that's the pre-combustion cup. So your injector and your glow plug both go into that pre-combustion cup. How's that? That's good. And to get those out, just use a long reach 12mm. I don't really know what you'd be looking for to test the glow plugs, but one thing's for sure, I'm really interested to know if these are working within their proper range, because my glow times are quite long. So for me, I'll have to glow it, turn my ignition off and glow it again to get that instant start. So I know that's not right. I might just go and check out how much a new set of glow plugs are worth. Now might be the time. Yeah, I don't know if it's just carbon but there's just a lot of rubbish on these. I might just research whether or not you can just clean them up and they're good to go again. Maybe they're not performing because of the carbon. I'll do a bit of research on that later. So I've got a new day. So last night I ended up being a bit of a bush mechanic, trying to get these injectors out without an extension 22. That wasn't working out real good, so I went and got an extension 22, and that's working. So I think that's everything. So I'll drop this one on the floor and get the new head up and just put anything that I can put onto it, so I don't have to do it in the car. I'm not sure if that's the right way to do it or not, but I just know putting that, especially the exhaust manifold, on afterwards is just going to be a nightmare, so I don't want to deal with that. So I'll get as much stuff onto it as possible and then we'll go from there.